This is question 2 of the 2020 November uh, paper 2 exam, and it's statistics. And we're going to be, they gave us a bar graph. They can give us graphs, and we have to figure them out and then do a bunch of questions around it. Well, here it is. Let's take a look at this first question. First, read it carefully. What it's telling you is the number of aircraft landing in King Shaka Airport and Port Elizabeth Airport between April 2017 to March 2018. So this is data for how many planes landed in April, May, all the way to March. So there it is. It's a double bar graph. Now the dark one is King Shaka, and the kind of gray or bluish one is Port Elizabeth. Now the first question, you just kind of read it carefully, and you're going to get the answer. I think. Let's try it. The number of aircraft landing at Port Elizabeth exceeds the number of aircraft landing at King Shaka during some months of the given period. Well, let's think of Port Elizabeth. That means that the gray is bigger than the black at different times. Okay. During which month is the difference the greatest? Well, we don't have to do any calculation. We can just see that the grays above here, here, here. Ooh, see, look how big that is in July. And then look, now the black's winning here, the King Shaka one's ahead of it. And now there's the gray blue and gray blue. That is clearly the biggest difference. And you just have to read it carefully. So the biggest difference is when the gray is above the black, when Port Elizabeth is bigger than King Shaka, and the biggest difference is clearly right here in July. And all I had to do was take a close look at the graph, and that's it. Okay, let's look at the second question. The second question works like this. I'm going to cover all this up for a second. The solution. It says calculate the mean. Calculate the mean. Well, what you have to do, they give you, this is the number of aircraft landing in the King Shaka Airport. There's your 12 months. There's your 12 numbers. Now you want to use your calculator to do this. You could add all these up and divide by how many there are, 12. But it's not as accurate, and you wait because you can check it if you do it this way. And this is what you do. You hit mode stat, and then a bar will come up here with an X, and sometimes you have a Y here. You should set up your calculator. There'll just be ones here. You can ignore it. But all you do is you go 2182, press equals, and then it just goes into the list. And then put all the numbers in and press equals. And at the very end, press AC. Now all your data is entered. And you can go up and down and check to make sure you put the numbers in right. That's the biggest difference, because you can make sure you get it right, because you can check every number quickly and really carefully. Okay, now this is the next part. You press Shift, then Stat, and you'll get this screen come up. You've got 5 different things you can do. But if you're trying to find the mean or the standard deviation, number 4 is the one you press. So you press 4 and then equals, and then this thing will come up, this deal here. Well, that X with a bar on it is the mean. So you press 2, then press equals, and look at that. There's your answer. Comes right up. So you can add everything up and get 26,000, but it's so easy to make a mistake with 12 numbers and entering all these digits. You want to be able to check it and enter the data this way. Well, there it is, 2,245,08 rounded off. That's the mean. Okay, well, I think I'll stop it there, and we'll come back and do the other parts in the next video.